Good afternoon. My name is Rustin Simon, and here I am in a machinist workshop in STI Kanpur, and we are going to show you the spur gear cutting under the guidance of our team Bharat Yadav, who is in charge of the machinist workshop. So here we can see the job plan, and our job title is spur gear cutting. Here we can see the figure. This is the gear blank. We have finished this gear blank on the lathe machine with the help of a turning and pressing and the boring operation. And the material is cast iron. The dimension is given here. And after that, we will do this operation spur gear cutting on a horizontal milling machine. So first of all, we will see the parts of the machine and all the arrangement which is fixed on this machine. Here we can see this is the universal dividing head. This is universal dividing head, and this is the dead center. And in between the universal dividing head and the dead center, we have fixed our gear blank with the help of a dog carrier. And after that, our next operation will be, we have to check the whether our gear blank is in a proper way or not. Then we will use the DTI, that is the dial test indicator, for checking the straightness or doing the job. Our next activity will be, we have to find the center of this gear blank. For this we will use the tri-square. With the help of tri-square we can find the center of this gear blank. After that we will see the indexing, that how we can do the indexing here. So here we can see this is the indexing plate which is attached to the universal dividing head. Here we can see the number is written 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and the 20. It means we know that there are 3 types of indexing plate, and according to this number given, this is the plate number 1. And if we see the parts of this indexing plate, this is the indexing pin, this is sector arm, and this is the rocker arm. This is the indexing pin. After that we will start the cutting of the first teeth. This is the module cutter 2.5. After that we will give the feed from this with the help of this handle, vertical feed, and we will give the depth of a 5.4 which we have calculated.
चलाओ टीथ काट लीजिए आराम से बोल दो थोड़ा कुछ बोल दो ये कट रहा है.
So here we can see that the first teeth of this gear blank is completing here. After doing this, cutting this first teeth, we will do the indexing. I will show you after cutting this first teeth. So here we can see the operation.
बस पीछे.
So here we can see that we have finished the cutting of one teeth, and after the cutting the first teeth, we will do the indexing movement. In calculation we have done the answer came in the ratio in the mixed fraction form, that is 1/3/17. It means we have to put this indexing pin in the hole number 17. After that 3 hole circle. So I told you that we have finished the first tip cutting. Then we will see the indexing, that how we can do the indexing here. So we will put this indexing pin in the 17 hole circle, and after that it means the one complete rotation, and after that 3 hole circle. Then so here we can see the indexing movement. This is the, we have completed the one complete rotation, and after that we have to put the indexing pin in the 3-hole circle. Like this we have completed the indexing movement, and after that we will cut the next teeth. So we can see here we have completed another teeth. Like this we will cut the rest of the teeth with the help of this indexing movement. And now we will repeat this process again and again until the spur gear cutting operation is completed. Thank you.
কি